Good morning, everybody. Today I want to start motion in a plane one, a new concept in projectile motion. I want to explain about area swept out by the projectile when a body is projected with certain initial velocity u at an angle theta with horizontal. The path of the projectile is a parabola. So equation of the vertical displacement is given by y is equal to x tan theta minus gx square by 2u square cos square theta, which can be written as ax minus bx square, where a is tan theta and b is g by 2u square cos square theta. So this is the equation of the parabola ax minus bx square. So I want to find out the area swept out by this parabola. What is the area swept out by the parabola? I want to find out this. For that, vertical displacement in terms of the range and horizontal distance. Vertical displacement in terms of range and horizontal distance is given by y is equal to x tan theta into 1 minus x by r. So the relation between the maximum height and range is given by h by r is equal to tan theta by 4. From that, tan theta is 4h by r. From that, tan theta is 4h by r. You can take this as a reference for the upcoming problem. Okay. Now, divide the parabola into small elements, each length dx. Area swept out by the element is given by dA is equal to y into dx. A is the area, which is length into breadth. So y is the length and dx is the breadth, let it be. Total area swept out by the projectile is given by integration. A is equal to integral dA. That is, you have to integrate from 0 to r y dx, because these elements extend from 0 to r. R is the range. So this is the integration identity. Integral x power n dx is x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. That identity I will use here. See. So area swept out by the projectile A is equal to integral 0 to r tan theta into multiply inside x minus x square by r dx. So tan theta is 4h by r. Already we mentioned here. So 4h by r integral 0 to r x dx minus x square by r dx. So area swept out by the projectile A is equal to 4h by r integral 0 to r x dx minus integral 0 to r x square by r dx. Area swept out by the projectile A is equal to 4h by r bracket. So the formula, that means the answer for x dx is x square by 2. This is the limit 0 to r minus x cube by 3 into r integral 0 limit 0 to r. You have to substitute these limits. First, upper limit minus lower limit you have to substitute. So 4h by r, if you substitute the upper limit, r square by 2. If you substitute the lower limit, 0, not required. In the similar manner, r cube by 3r, if you substitute the upper limit, lower limit, if you substitute also, you will get 0. Therefore, 1 r will get cancelled. So area A is equal to 4h by r into, take LCM 6, 3r square minus 2r square. Therefore, 4h by r into r square by 6. So r get cancelled. The area swept out by the projectile when projected at certain angle, h is the horizontal, h is the vertical height and r is the horizontal range. So the area swept out by the projectile is 2 by 3 into hr. So thank you very much. So try to subscribe the channel for a new upcoming concepts every day. Thank you very much. Thank you one and all. Thank you.